back to the little Honda project. We managed to get the parts all stripped off the frame. Swinging arm doesn't look in too bad a shape. It has a fair amount of rust on that side, so I'll take the shot blasters and see what it looks like. Managed to get the covers off. Not too much of a problem. Impact gun did a fine job. The cylinder head, well, it's clearly seen better days, but she did come off. One of the studs, I had to cut one of the studs off, but one of the studs was just holding it on. You can still see it sitting in there. I need to get that out, but they didn't damage any of the fins, which was a plus for me, so I was really quite pleased with that. You can still see there's loads of water still in the head, because I don't know whether it's been underwater, but the head itself seemed to be reasonably okay. The cam followers seem to be okay. It's a single overhead cam, there it is, but I do have a bit of a problem on that. It's broken off, and it's not in the engine, surprisingly, so I think a bit broke off and somebody's stuck the cam back in like that. So, looking for a new cam. Barrels themselves, well, that one looks alright. So there's I think a fair amount of cleaning to be done here. I think it's going to need a lot of penetrating oil, a lot of heat, and a lot of good luck. Points look great, everything else seems to be fine. So this side's a bit rusty and dusty, but nothing we can't fix. But this is project number 2.